I've been wondering, dude. If she ain't got good ass, she ain't got good teeth, she gotta have good pussy. So Katrina, what's been your best pussy?
Give me a beat. Good pussy. Good pussy. Best pussy I've had. Okay. Not that white pussy. Not that dark pussy. I like skin pussy. Pussy you can see. White pussy is scary. It looks like it's bleeding. Dark pussy is even scary. You can't even see it. Light skin pussy. I see that pussy. I get in that pussy. Wet coochie pussy. I don't even know. I get in that pussy. Real wet pussy. I mean soaking fucking pussy where I pull your pussy in a fucking glass. That shit to fill up. Matter of fact, overflowing. The pussy I ever had was goddamn Angel. And I stayed in her pussy. Angel. Right? Angel ain't an angel, but she ain't goddamn keeper. Why the fuck you think I've been looking for so long? This is not a good fucking scene. We in front of a hospital talking about pussy.
Hey!